Welcome to J&J Auto Contest video of S4GM381. Today we have an 04 GMC Sierra 2500 HD LB7 Duramax truck, smacked in the right front there. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. They sucked all the fuel out of it. We had to spend a hot minute priming her. Get that out of there. Come on, give me the miles. 245,580 miles. Summit white exterior, neutral interior. Two-wheel drive Southern truck though, so very nice condition. That LB7 fires right up. No blow-by. Can't fake that, guys. That's a good running motor. You guys saw a cold start, the injectors are good. A lot of good body parts on it, a lot of not so good parts on it. Some huge, big old off-road wheels that apparently all leak, so we'll have to address that. Not gonna be able to put it into gear because I don't want to fall over. That is precariously perched there. Should be a 373 ratio rear axle, Allison 1000 two-wheel drive transmission, a lot of rust-free parts. Overall, a pretty nice unit. Interior, you can't win them all. Nice truck cab, or sorry, bed, whatever the hell you want to call this thing. Nice truck box. Any goodies? Oh yeah, all sorts of crap. Other than that though, nice shape. Master window switch works. Automatic climate control, that's always a hit or miss. Oh, heck yeah. Nice and good. Cluster lights up. Everything is working as it should. Not a whole lot bad you can say about this thing other than it's wrecked. Well, since I can't put it in gear and the mirrors are broken, that is going to conclude the J&J Auto Wrecking Test video of our 2004, sorry, I almost called it a Chevy, Silverado 2500. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Save the Duramaxes. Thanks for watching.